Good morning, heathens. Today, we're gonna help out one of the subscribers. He's having boat problems. Yo, dude, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hands-free in the 67 Barracuda. Hey, bring that boat on over, dude.
Okay.
I'll see you in a little bit.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, later.
Bye.
Oh, the Barracuda. The fish that never ceases to stop giving. Oh, the boys are over at the garage. We should stop and talk to them. Huh? The boys are doing good. So the victim today is a 80s Yamaha 52 stroke on the back of a Ranger 16-foot fiberglass bass boat. Seems to be on a bunk trailer and the impeller's taking a shit. She ain't pissing too hard. So we're gonna yank her off and replace it. And he's gonna play on his phone. Insert Mario music now. So what you need to do first is you gotta undo your shifter linkage here. That's going to require a 10mm open, two of them, or a Sizall. Sizall right there. Then you're going to need 14mm bolts to take these 4 bolts out. Then you're going to need a 12mm. Always mark this before you take it off if your boat doesn't pull one way or the other. If it runs down the river nice and straight, you want to mark this and keep it, because this is how you adjust how your boat tracks. So, and you just put a whale tail or a hydrofoil, whatever you want to call it, on it. That help it plane out or run up on the water better?
Yeah, that and a new prop.
Okay.
Apparently the prop I had on it originally was not correct.
Oh, okay.
It was for a pontoon, so switching that out made quite a bit of difference.
And it's looks to be a rebuilt prop too. So they must have got you a good deal on that.
Got it over at Stark's, so I wouldn't say it was a good deal.
Alrighty. I used to work there. Alright, so let's we'll be back with it ripped off. Oh, where'd it? Shit, it's over here. I already started taking bolts out. Anyway, that's what your lower unit's going to look like. To get to your impeller, you have to remove these 4 12mm bolts on your impeller housing. We'll show you that here in a second. Damn it, Tyler. Battery died. Here's the impeller. She's got some crack going on and they're bent over. So it was peeing at low RPM, at high RPM. She was losing her strength and not pissing at all, so.
True enough.
Cool. There is very little amounts of sand in here.
Surprise.
So yeah, it looks good. We'll go run down and get the right impeller for it.
Yep.
If we can get this one off.
First.
There went everything.
Good reflexes, bud. You caught it almost.
Didn't even flinch.
No. Reflexes like a skittish cat.
Oh wait, those aren't good.
Anyway, all right. So they're gonna run and go get a new impeller.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. You're off like a prom dress. See you in about an hour.
Something
All right, man. Whew. So that's Derek. I got the D200 from him and the Duster from him. So he's got a cabin actually not that far away from here, over in Marquette. Anyway, he's had this boat for a little bit and told me what was going on the other day, and I said, oh, well, it sounds like we need to yank the lower unit off and change the impeller. So it ain't very hard to do, and it doesn't take very long. The longest it's going to take is to go and get the impeller probably. So, and we got Kathy over here planting some kind of Rastafarian tree, it seems. She had to beat it with a hammer first. What kind of tree? Am I close to something, bud? If we get closer, you should see a shadow on the ground come flying at me to dive bomb me. See? Pretty cool. I'm not gonna mess with this kid. I just you little. Welcome to YouTube. This Bad Tree Productions Zen moment is brought to you by Koi Ponds.
Can you try to pull one of those out? Just see if you can.
What?
One of those.
Plants?
Yeah.
They just snap off.
Oh,
Are they? Can you eat them?
I don't
Looks
know.
like rhubarb.
Don't.
You're supposed to point the camera at stuff like that, Mom.
I did, babe.
Ah,
Could be.
tastes like frog piss.
Anyway, I need someone help me pull some of these out.
I don't think you can have bullfrog problems anymore with how massive them things are.
Yeah.
Now you're
The
gonna have
bigger
trains coming over here and raccoons.
No.
There's a new one. We're gonna slam her on. Here's your keyway. Make sure you don't lose that, because then your impeller won't spin at all. So, yeah, we'll come back when it's all slammed back together. Always spin your shaft clockwise when trying to get this impeller. I didn't pull the keyway out, did I? No. Clockwise, spin, push, bolts. And that's how it goes back together.
There we go.
The walking sheet.
What? With the magic of editing.
Okay.
Oh, there she is. Like a glove.
I can't believe them splines are after twisting that prop a couple times. Splines are lined up like that. Lucky.
And now the bolts. The most fun part of them all.
All right, heathens, check this out. Still in reverse. Yep, it's locked up. Throw in neutral once, Derek. Neutral, drive. Bob's your uncle. And so the linkage is good and hooked up. We got our paint mark there on the threads. We ran her there until we didn't see any paint no more. So it should be all back together how it was. We got our paint mark here lined back up, so it should be how it was. The only difference is it should piss water better. There you go. So, water test it.
Yeah?
Go down, slam her in the ribba, and see if it pisses better. All right. Good CUDA. Hot CUDA. Well, welcome to Pool 10 under the Marquette Joliet Bridge in Marquette, McGregor, Iowa. Planet Earth. Pool 10, known highly as one of the largest recreational pools of water on the entire Mississippi, with a nice 20-foot navigational main channel. You don't have to worry about hitting any stumps, nothing like that. It's a nice deep main channel. And it looks like there's a dead alligator gar floating down there. Ahoy, Captain. What's that, a gar floating dead in the water over there?
Looks like it.
Picklet. If you're ever in the Marquette, Iowa area, make sure to check out Mississippi River Boat Tours right here. Tell them Bad Tree sent you. You might know who you're talking about. It's good to get the word out. Local business is important.
He even let my son drive his boat.
Did he?
Yeah.
Captain Roberts, the man. Yep. It's kind of like sub rides.
Yeah.
Tell us all about it, Derek.
Well, I got stupid and traded a Harley for it, and now I have it.
Well, look at us though. We're on the river. Just need a little fluid. Hey Josh, What would you charge to change an impeller? What's the price, man?
I don't know, I'd have to look at it.
How long would it take you? How long would it take you?
No more than 4 hours.
Jesus, don't take it to him.
Your pumping's good.
Is it? I changed the impeller out in 20 minutes. Charged $700. We're full, right? You're full? Got a full tank? We're just out test beating it. Huh? Yeah. He
Most
details
in
stuff.
wax boats.
Yeah.
This thing's too big a piece of shit to worry about that.
This is all his prop wash from holding it in the shore.
Yeah, oh my god, I feel like such an idiot, such a stooge. While we were out on the river, I forgot to take an extra battery with me. So there's no outro. So I'm the outro now. So please, subscribe if you like this content. Let us know, good, bad or ugly. And come on, give the people air. It's what they want. Have a good one. Goodbye.